Introducing the QCI-50 Torque Tester, an industry-leading tool designed to revolutionize your torque measurement processes. This advanced tester from Advanced Witness series combines affordability, high quality, and user-friendly features to provide precise and reliable torque readings. The QCI-50 offers an exceptional value proposition, making it an ideal choice for entry-level testers. Its low cost and high quality make it a budget-friendly option without compromising on performance. The tester features 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track. Peak mode captures the maximum torque value, while first peak mode records the first peak torque reading. Track mode continuously displays the real-time torque value. These modes provide flexibility for various testing requirements. The QCI-50 boasts an intuitive user interface, making it easy to operate and navigate. Its simple controls and clear display enable users to quickly understand and utilize the tester's functions. With a torque range of 5-50 lb and an accuracy of 1%, the QCI-50 delivers precise and reliable measurements. Its quarter-inch SQ drive size accommodates a wide range of applications. This versatile tester allows for bidirectional use, enabling the measurement of both clockwise (CW) and counterclockwise (CCW) torque. It also offers a wide range of engineering units, including OSD, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM. The QCI-50 is powered by a NIM battery or 9VDC and has a compact and lightweight design, making it portable and convenient to use. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the QCI-50 Torque Tester. Its affordability, high quality, and versatility make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque readings. Invest in the QCI-50 and experience the difference it brings to your assembly and quality control processes.